Hey guys, sorry I haven't recorded in a long time. It's just because a lot of things has been going on. I got new fidgets, by the way. I'm going to be doing a fidget trading video really soon. Just giving you all a heads up, it's raining at my place, which is really annoying. And I got this comment saying someone wants me to do the puppet on the rainbow, the satisfying side, so let's do it. So 1 minute at a time is what they wanted. I know I'm doing this wrong, but fingers crossed it comes out how I want it to be. Sorry if this video will be hard to see because the lights are turned off in here, so yeah. Lol. I have nothing much to talk about. Finally, we found our Oculus. I played some Echo VR. If you want me to post a VR video, post in the comments. This video is just supposed to be satisfying. Sorry if you see my hand. Dang it, one keeps popping up, which is really annoying. And my hand is getting tired. Not this hand, I mean the hand I'm holding my phone with. Because I record on the phone. I was gonna do a haul video right after I got my mochis, but I forgot. So yeah, hold on, I'm gonna grab my Simple Dimple. Give me 2 seconds. Okay, got my Simple Dimple. I'm just gonna set my Among Us Puppet to the side. And here's my Simple Dimple. If you wonder what's on it, it's putty. Because my sister thought it was a good idea to put putty on it. But apparently this is some kind of rubber, so it's hard to get it off the rubber. I've been seeing these YouTube trends where people take the puppet and put water in it, but you gotta clean it first. Then they put it in the freezer. Then they make puppet obviously puppet ice cubes. It's not cubes. They're like circles. Well, I'm gonna grab one of my mochis out. Give me 2 seconds. Actually, I'm gonna grab all my mochis out. I don't have a lot of mochis. I still have more mochis. Come. This will be my haul video. Okay, I don't have a lot of mochis to share right now, but here's some of them. It's not a lot of mochis, but I have some of them downstairs, my other two. My other 2 are downstairs, but I'm too lazy to go get it right now. Because it's hold on, let me check the